Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to share with you guys in this video a couple of new items that I'm going to be listing in my shop, as well as these cute little fun 4 little projects that I'm going to show you as well. So these little projects here will be listed in my shop, and it will be a random one of these for if you decide you wanted to purchase this cute little project. And what they are these little teeny envelopes that I have stuffed with some really fun little goodies that you could use in your projects, or if you want to gift this in Happy Mail. And the envelopes that I use to load the goodies in are these envelopes, and this is one of the listings that I'm going to show you, the new listing that's in my shop. So these are the cute little teeny envelopes, which I think you may have seen me use these in some of my other projects, in my other videos. It's really small, but you can still use these in your planners, junk journaling. You could also adhere these little envelopes to tags. You could just keep them as is and add little notes. But this is the envelope that I use to load the goodies in. And you can see how much I was able to fit in these little pockets, and I'm going to show you what I've got in there. But I'll just share with you first the measurements in case you're wanting to know the measurements of the envelope. So the envelope is in length about 5.5 centimeters, or approximately 2 1/8 of an inch. And the height of the envelope, when you close the envelope, it's about 4 centimeters in height, or 1 5/8 of an inch. So that's the measurement. So it is small, but I love little tiny envelopes. I think they're just so cute. And you will get a random pack of 6 different printed envelopes in the pack as well. I also didn't close the envelope, so it will be packaged this way. I didn't want to leave a fold crease on the envelope, just in case you want to leave it like this and you want to use it to load goodies without using the closure. So I've left that up to you to decide what you wanted to do with the closure of the envelope. So this is one of the listings that I have, and the papers are really nice, and it's a nice medium weight paper as well, so it's not thin paper. So that's one of the listings. But I'm going to go ahead and I want to show you the fun stuff that I have in these little pockets, and surprisingly how much you can fit in these cute little pockets. And it is nice and small, which is the size, fits in the palm of my hand. So in each of these little envelopes are all similar items inside, just different patterns and different style of the goodies that are inside. So I'm going to show you this one here first, and you'll also receive a couple of other things that come with the envelope, which I'll show you as well. But inside you'll get the banner shape, a paper embellishment that I have made. I think I shared with you guys in another video these little embellishment. And I did fussy cut each of the woodland creatures on each of the paper banners as well. And I think these are great to finish off a project as well. So this is what you get inside. And there is also this paper-laid medallion circle scallop shape embellishment, which you could then also continue embellishing and decorating as well to how you would like it. I made a cute little teeny mini file folder with 2 little pockets. And in this pocket, you'll get a random pack of 4 word sentiments. And I've also placed one of the torn paper embellishment cluster as well, which I did share as well in another video. And I've had so much fun making these. I actually do like making these, and I think these also make a great addition to your projects as well. And that goes in there. So that's what you get. And then I left the little mini folder blank so you could embellish it and decorate it, and also this part here for you. And then you can also reuse this and give that as Happy Mail. It'll be a tag and a ephemera inside the little envelope. And then I've also placed some more assorted ephemeras in there. There'll be 4 pieces of different random ephemeras for you to use. And this is the pocket when it's empty. And then I did place another of the little clusters here on the front of the envelope to decorate that as well. So I think it did look really cute, and that's the back. So this is one of them, and I'll show you the other three. And it's really cute, and I did enjoy putting these little pockets together, or little envelopes. So that I'll just place that there. So that's that one. And before I show the other ones, I'll just show you what else you'll get. You'll also get a random pocket with a matching tag in each of these as well. So this is the tag, and it is double-sided, so you can decide which one you like to embellish or what you like to do with them. And that's the pocket. And I think this is also another cute little gift as well, if you want to give that to somebody. And these little envelopes, you could also adhere the back, and you can also just place it onto the front there to create a more of a loaded pocket by having another pocket attached to the envelope as well. I think that's a great idea to do that. You also get a vellum pocket with it as well, that you could also use for your other projects. If you were into planning, you can punch a couple of holes here and then adhere that to your planners. But this is the pocket that comes with it, and then the little mini envelope fits nicely in there, as well as the pocket with the tag. So that is how you'll receive your item. We will be packaged a little bit different though, just so it's easy for me to package in the envelope. But this is one of them. And then this is the next one. It's really cute again. And this is the little embellishment. And that's a little medallion. And this is the cute little mini folder. Again, 4 word sentiments, and another little cluster or paper cluster. This also comes with a tag and another ephemera, as well as these 4 different random ephemeras as well that you could use, and a little wood peg, and that's a little envelope. So that goes in there. So I'll put these away later. And then you also get the random pocket with tag, as well as the vellum pocket. So that's that one. And this is the next one. This one has the little owl that I fussy cut onto these paper banners again. This one has this lovely medallion embellishment. This is a cute little mini folder. Again, 4 random word sentiments and another paper cluster. And these little pockets here that I've made, I did use a 6x6 paper, and you can make 4 of these from one 6x6 paper. I just cut the paper at 3x3 inches. I folded in half, and then I turned it this way, and then I scored one end at 2 1/4 of an inch, or however deep you want the pocket. And then I just cut the middle bit and then folded up, and then glued the sides over here to create the little pocket, just in case you're wanting to know the measurements for this one. And also, if you have your own envelopes and you want to have an idea of what you want to place inside your envelopes, these are just some ideas of what you could add to them as well if you want to make a loaded envelope. And these, again, another tag and another quote cut apart. And this one has some pretty ephemeras as well, if you wanted to use those, or you want to gift them. And then this is a pocket again with another cluster embellishment on the front. And I just want to show you also, before I put the goodies back in there, I did a video with this cute little double pocket insert and you're able to make 3 of these from one piece of 6x6 paper, especially if you have just single-sided prints. This is a perfect cute little tiny project. Again, it's a cute little double pocket. I'll put the link down below to my tutorial on how you can make this, because there are 2 ways you can make these little pocket, and I'll just show you how it looks like. So you got the little front pocket inside there. Again, I'll just place some ephemeras, but you can add little packets of sequins, seed beads. You could also add some stamps, ephemeras, and then that goes in there. And at the back here is another pocket. And then you can either have this as a pocket on the back to add your tags, some little seeds, or you could also make it into a little flip book. So you can have a front pocket and a little flip book as well. But I'll put the link down below. You can have a look and see how you could make these. But what I wanted to show is this cute little pocket can actually fit nicely inside this envelope as well. You can see it fits nice and snug in there. And again, you can add your goodies in these pockets as well as add more of these stuff. And I'm going to show you that you can really still keep stuffing this cute little mini envelope with heaps more goodies by just stacking them up. I'm going to add this in there as well, just so you can see. It's even got a little embellishment. Just try to make sure it doesn't get caught in the other embellishments. But you can see how I managed to pack all of that inside this cute little envelope, and it still can keep and hold its shape as well. So that is just another way you can add some more goodies by adding another pocket insert in there as well. So I was quite happy that that can fit in there. But I just thought I'd share with you that little piece of project. But I'll put these together off camera. But this will also then come with the vellum pocket and a pocket and tag. And then this is the last one. So this has another cute little embellishment. And I have these in my shop as well. You'll get a random pack of 2 of these little banner shaped paper plate embellishments. So that's listed in my shop as well, in case you wanted to purchase them separately. But again, this also has a little medallion embellishment. This has the cute little mini folder with the 2 pockets as well. And this is the little embellishment cluster. And again, a tag and an ephemera piece. And these ones also have a selected random 4 ephemeras as well in there. That just gets clipped on, and that's the little envelope. These are so cute. I mean, you can make these in different size envelopes. You don't have to make them into little teeny size envelopes. But I just want to show you what you can fit in these little tiny little envelopes. And I just think these are so cute to give to somebody as happy mail. Or, you know, if you want to add these onto other projects, and then you can create it by adding it onto a pocket tag like this, and then that can get adhered to that. So that also comes with the pocket and the vellum pocket as well. So these are the 4 that I'm listing in my shop, as well as the little mini envelopes. You get the random 6 different prints, as well as these random pack of 2. So I just want to share with you this fun little project for you as well, to give you some happy mail idea and just some of my new items in my shop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.